No, well, you go first part.
I don't know if everyone's like down.
And here we go. And it goes. Flip and cry, cry, cry. 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down. Cry, cry, cry. 1, 2, stop. This is Uncle Boy's rendition. So you got to cry from the corner of your eye here. Don't cry out here. Cry from here. When you cry, 1, 2, 3. Your hands always stay boob level. Don't take them below your boobs. Okay, here we go again. Ready? Let's cry 2. 1, 2, out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Ready? 1, 2, out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you're going to dip and you're going to cry 4. The only time the hand comes on your hip is right now. When you dip here, this one's going to come on your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it only stays for the first count. Okay, one more time that much. So it's going to go 1, 2, out. 1, 2, 1, 2 on your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think this is 2. 1, 2. Then that's your second set, and then you repeat that whole thing again. One more time. Ready? The next one goes mama, papa. So you come into your chest. Mama, mama, and to your wrist, and pa, the other one. And 1, 2, behind, and collect. Put your arms straight. You're going to ami down, ami up. And down, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, mama, and 1, 2, pa, and 1, 2, and behind. Ami down, stay down, and put your left knee down. And, okay, make sure that your hands don't come all the way over here when you're crying. Remember the center of your body, so you can't come here. I don't know how that goes. It's here, 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 okay? And when you come across here, this hand can't come here. Center, here, center. Remember your center.